We like to say that we can do things for people in just about any industry. It includes things like medical devices, the oil industry, ships, underwater, space, and all sorts of areas. And what we do for them is measure things.
Our applications are always changing. Sometimes it can be robotics, sometimes it can be oil and gas, other times power generation, a lot of automotive industries, asking for torque or horsepower measurements. Anything where you can push and measure a force, we can get involved.
We started fairly early with the website, and we decided to revamp that website, but we really didn't know what we were doing. We launched it again, then we saw a marked decrease in the number of good leads that we were getting. Our target audience were not really contacting us, and we looked around, and actually we got to Xzito. Xzito needed to know what we do and how we do it and why people come to us. We got an overview of what was wrong with our approach, with our website. Xzito suggested different fixes, different things to do to our website. We concentrated essentially on organic searches and pay-per-click searches as well. Both of them were relatively low when we started, and since then we continue to see good results. And now we have a constant and continuous flow of leads and contacts, some of which become our customers. Keywords have become, in a lot of cases, are number one in Google searches. Just about all of the important keywords for us are on Google, the top 3 positions. All the metrics, everything that we look at has worked really well for us. Essentially, Xzito is our own marketing department. We have our meetings, we get updates, we change things accordingly. If this isn't working as well as we expected, it's tweaked until it does. As a result of that conversation, we have a course of action, a plan of action, which then gets executed by Xzito, not us. The main reason is really results. After about 2-3 months, we did start seeing a difference. We're getting good results, and we continue to. So that's why we trust Xzito to continue doing it.
I like working with Xzito because it gives us, the feeling of having a full marketing team behind the company. Xzito knows our brand and has been working with us to develop our website and really bring us more customers at the end of the day.
When it's working, you go with it. And at the end of the day, the results is what matters, and that's what we've gotten.